There's nothing like Wilson Hospice House anywhere else in Georgia. Inspired by the architecture of Frank Lloyd Wright and nestled in the woods of northwest Albany, this beautiful place of comfort and rest offers a peaceful, warm, and welcoming environment for families in need of hospice care services. The serene property includes an outdoor chapel, memorial gardens, and hiking trails, areas for quiet reflection for loved ones of those receiving compassionate care inside the walls of Wilson Hospice House. The wooden structure itself is designed to blend perfectly with its natural surroundings. As you enter the building, you come into a large open lobby and seating area. To the left, you'll find our administrative offices and chambers where families may meet with our staff to discuss a patient's care. Down the main hallway, you'll find a chapel, a family kitchen, spa, day rooms, and meeting areas, all of which are accessible to families at any time. We have 3 patient care wings, each with the same design. There's a nurse's station conveniently located steps away from each patient room. These rooms are very different from a typical hospital room. They're more spacious and home-like. Each has large windows so the patient can see outside and feel the sunlight fill the room. And each room has direct access to the outdoors. While each room has its own bathroom, we also have a large room where patients can have their hair washed or take a comfortable and relaxing bath. In addition, each patient care wing has a large sitting or reading area with lots of natural light. The highly skilled team who works here consists of physicians who are board certified in hospice and palliative care, nurses, social workers, home health aides, chaplains, bereavement counselors, and trained volunteers who care for an average of around 1,500 patients each year at Wilson Hospice House. Our experienced team focuses on maintaining dignity and quality of remaining life for patients facing an end-of-life illness by offering symptom control, pain management, and emotional support. We accept patients regardless of their ability to pay, and we offer unlimited visiting hours to include children and even pets. In addition to general inpatient care, we provide respite care for up to 5 nights at a time to give those caring for a loved one at home a break. We care for patients so the caregivers can have some time to rest and recuperate. It is the privilege of the Phoebe Hospice team to offer exceptional and compassionate care to families through difficult times, and we are proud to do so at Wilson Hospice House.